Explaining why 75%. Yes! Instead of the projected doubling, 75% growth. Hello!
Hello, TJ.
Yes, I was expecting you guys, but just give me 1 second. Let me just send this before
Oh, that's okay.
It evaporates from my volatile brain to go. Hi.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Lovely to finally be in the gidiPlex.
Yes, well, lovely to have you come visit us.
Thank you for having us. Hopefully we get to meet some of the gidiPeeps. The vibe here is so chill and we're happy to be here.
Well, we're kind of on serious, crazy people, but trying to do some serious, groundbreaking work. So try to put it together.
Lovely to also finally meet you. We've been corresponding, finally meet you.
Yes, eventually.
So tell us a little bit about Gidi Mobile, your company, the history, what you're doing, the great work you're doing.
Okay, well, if you get me going about Gidi Mobile, I won't stop. But I'll say yes. Well, Gidi Mobile is Africa's leading human capacity for development company. We're an edtech firm, and we like to think of ourselves more of a learning company, with tech being how we do our work than being our raison d'etre. But fundamentally, we're focused on learning solutions that help people put food on the table, learning solutions that help people to seize their future, as we say, making learning fun, accessible, on the go for everybody. And we have lots of solutions that cut across various audiences. We're probably best known for gidimo, which is, as we call it internally, a high fidelity, high engagement learning platform. And what that means in non-geek English is that it's a platform that makes it fun and easy to learn anything on the go. And so that means that we take your learning objectives and convert them into quests, into tournaments, into competitions, and make it fun to do what you need to do. So we do have solutions for high school kids. We're working on a solution now with a very large bank for traders, trying to help 100,000 traders grow. And we're also working on a solution for 700,000 mobile money agents across the region. So that's us learning for growth, not just learning for self-development, yes, but learning with a particular emphasis on the fact that in the developing world, there are 3 billion people who need to grow. And so learning to help them achieve their life objectives. That's Gidi Mobile.
So gidimo, interesting, sounds exciting. What does it look like?
Well, I could just show you, actually.
Sure. I want to see.
Get on my Gidimo phone here, and yeah, you can get Gidimo on the Android Play Store, shortly on the iOS Store as well. Just type Gidimo. I already have it in there, and there you have it. Open. It's already installed, but if I were installing for the first time, that's what I would do. And so here is Gidimo. It's a platform with multiple learning programs. I'll take 1 second to show you Engine 2, which was the one we did for 30,000 disadvantaged, vulnerable young women across the country. That was DFID funded project. But coming to the School Success Program, which I guess is like our flagship, this is what it looks like. And so what we've done is added a second layer of the journey to the school journey. So what you have to do is conquer the land of Kirion by mastering the 13 kingdoms in the land of Kirion. Afterwards, you have the realm of Doctrina and the land of Ustadi. And this is the backstory. It's 2028 in the realm of Ustadi, glorious region. And so we help the young people have a reason for learning, because really their learning is going to help them change the world. I'll show you 2 major things you can do. Select your class, and then you can do something that looks simple, but is actually advanced. It's called Socratic questioning. So you do a little summary, and then we have a question tree that inculcates concepts through a structured questioning that, depending on the answer you give, does different things. It can allow you to go ahead, it may not allow you to go ahead, it can take you back, up or down the tree, and so on. So that's one aspect, the Socratic questioning, which we call training. The second thing you can do is you can battle. And in the battle, you choose a subject, choose a topic, and then you have this type of 4 battles: single battle, random battle, group versus group battle. So for example, if I were to say random battle, searches for someone who wants to do that topic, that subject, that class anywhere in the world. And maybe you may see someone from India pop up here. And then if there are no players available, maybe for time zone difference, maybe they're in school, then it shows you the bot. And then it still has 11 more seconds, sorry. But once that is done, you'll now see how we bring gaming into, okay, it's found Suleiman Ismail. He's a citizen. I'm a knight. And the battle is starting. So that's Suleiman and Paul. And then we have, this is on Agric. So as you can see, he seems to be ahead of me. I'm going to just put in any answers. Wow, this Sule seems to be getting them better than I am. Climate. It's been a while since I was in school. Wow, he's fast. Okay, let's see who gets it. And he's going to say who is this dumb person he's battling with that is missing everything. He's almost done. Done. That was fast. Let's wait for your opponent. I lost. Suleiman beat me. 1 correct, 9 wrong. He got 6 correct. And then so it brings, he says, do I want to rematch, do a new match, exit, I'll exit. So basically, it helps the young folks to find an interestingness, I'll say, in learning. And the final thing I'll show you is we have activities in our quest. There's an upcoming July playoff. It shows that right now, I'm a junior grandmaster. I have to become junior grandmaster 1, then an overall grandmaster. This is my inventory of different things I've got, resurrection pill, ghost mode, and so on and so forth. So that's a very, very speedy, fast overview of what's going on in Gidimo SSP. These are the top people this week. And basically, like I said, high engagement learning, high fidelity, high engagement learning for personal advancement. So that's Gidimo, made and invented here, Lagos, Nigeria, not imported from anywhere. And we're really excited. And we have so many other features coming out that we're intending to bring out.
I can imagine. I'm excited as well, and I didn't get to put one single code in this. So at what point do we get to meet the exciting, smart, innovative people who make this?
Oh, well, they're all around the Plex. You know, I was just going to go get a coffee. So maybe if we go down to Paris, then we could talk to them as we go by.
Super.
Okay. Just gonna grab this guy. And here we go. So I'll probably start off by taking you to Paris.
Oh, TJ! Hi, come speak with Sadiq.
Oh, nice, interesting. Okay, so well, let's make a little detour here and take you to. Hey, Sadiq! Sadiq, how now? Can you hear me?
Oh, I think he's having some network issues.
Okay, he's probably frozen.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. What was happening? You guys were talking?
Yes, we were.
Okay, nice.
Just a regular checkup, you know. So
Okay.
he's actually doing okay. He's really fine. He has the class by 2:30.
Okay, he's moving.
Oh.
Sadiq, can you see me?
Oh,
Okay,
frozen.
cool. Well, so I'll leave it to it.
Okay, bye, TJ.
Thanks, Emil. Yes, so it's very nice. Good coincidence. So Sadiq was one of the beneficiaries of a program we had in 2017-2018 called Get Nigeria to A. It was sponsored by Google.org. They gave us $1 million grant to do that. And the objective of the program was to bring Gidimo SSP to 100,000 economically disadvantaged youth across the country. And it was a really awesome program. We had many beneficiaries who got opportunities they otherwise would not have been able to get. In Sadiq's case, for example, he was the gate man of our neighbor. And he saw these bright colored Gidimo people moving up and down, got interested, and we subscribed him. And just based on that, because he didn't finish secondary school, but based on that, he was able to get admission to study computer science in Borno State University. He's going to his 2nd semester now of his 1st year. And his 1st semester, he had 8 A's out of his first 10 courses. And so he's on the 1st class CGPA. So we're watching that. We have a little deal with him whereby we pay for his tuition as long as he keeps his grades up. So really exciting to see that. Lola is in charge of care, so she follows up with our folks from time to time. So this is Boston, and this is Fumi's world with her people. And hello, folks. What are you guys up to? Hey. Oh, no. Good. Traffic didn't kill you the other day.
traffic hit me today. Like, traffic was crazy.
What's up? What are you guys
We
up to?
just finished Oga Boss conversation.
Okay,
so,
cool.
Some of the feedback from the guys on the field, trying to compile that. I was actually going to come to your office to discuss that with you.
No, I was just heading down to Paris to grab a coffee. Okay. So we can discuss it downstairs.
I have cookies.
Nice.
Yeah. Aye.
So, TJ, I noticed that the offices in the Plex have names of cities on the doors. What is this about?
Well, that's us daydreaming. When we did the renovation of our office, we were conquering it little by little. And we decided to name the spaces after cities where we intend to eventually grow to have offices. So that's just our dreaming. And for example, this one, Bangalore, which is where we have our product and engineering team. We already do have an office in Bangalore in South India already, thankfully. And so here's some of our product and engineering team with COVID rules, so not everybody's around right now. But so these are the design, product, engineering team, some of them. And pretending to be serious, but I know that they're not really doing. So anyway, these are some of the folks here. Please don't look at their screen. We don't want you to see our secret. And then, Anyway, so proceeding to Paris, or Paris, if you prefer, which is also one of our aspirations because we're also building out for Francophone Africa. And finally, my cafe to keep the system alive, Anyway, let me allow Fumi to get hers. So, but fundamentally, what is it that they were saying?
Well, they like what we're working on. So I think that's very important that you're aware so we can keep moving. But the big one for them for us, is they want us to come to do their bar trip next week Wednesday.
Okay, that's cool. I don't mind. So that's is an extension for us. Like I said at the beginning, we're human capacity for livelihoods. So our first micro SME program, as I'm not sure if I mentioned upstairs, is to train 100,000 traders to help them double their sales. And so that's in partnership with one of the largest banks in the country, and it's coming along nicely. We're doing a lot of learner research, user research to really understand what will move the needle for them. So I'm really excited to hear that. Also happy to have my coffee. And then let's go to our Templeton team to see what they're actually doing in the retreat down here. And
I'll see you today.
okay, cool, thanks.
Yeah.
So the folks working on the Templeton project, trying to figure out the thing is a brand new thing we're doing. Hi guys. Okay. Try to look don't try to look as if you're serious people, not just kind of noisemakers. Just try to pretend, So what's up? How's it going?
Good, going well. We're just fleshing out discussions on how we might tie the curriculum mapping to the actual game design. So that's just the basic.
Has everybody discovered how complicated a virtue is?
Absolutely
We thought we knew what integrity was.
Just to be good boys and girls. Or is it a bit more complicated?
Yeah. So I think it's going to be a bit difficult to sync teaching these virtues and putting it in a gameplay. So it's just
as we used to do. So it's a very interesting project, like as I was saying, because teaching schoolwork versus teaching behavior are two kinds of things. And as I said, we're a learning company. So it's boundary sort of like spanning, and it's groundbreaking in that sense. We're trying to build a choice-based simulation, which is a world the young people will go into, and they're going to learn about virtue based on the decisions they make and then what happens to them in that world as the decisions make their lives and their personas evolve. So we do a lot of teamwork here, and so between the product folks, people folks, design, and curriculum and all that kind of stuff, I think it's going to be a really awesome program. So we're really grateful to Templeton for helping us to, sort of like do something new, because we do need to crack this character issue, not only just knowledge, but character and values. And so that's what this project is about. And we're really excited. It's allowing us to invent, as we love to do. And we think the folks are going to like it. So, all right. So let me carry my wahala and go so you guys can continue to do your good stuff. And I'll see you folks later.
All right,
All right, cheers.
Thank you.
See ya. I'll just drop this, right? So, well, I guess that's us. That's Gidi Mobile, and that's the Gidi team. Thanks for coming by, and it'll be awesome to see you again.
Thank you so much, TJ, for having us.
Pleasure.
We had a wonderful time with the gidiPeeps.
As you know.
Hope you'll have us again sometime soon.
Of course. All right.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Enjoy
Thanks.
the rest of your day.